warm welcome to my 5 minutes yoga a day with me, Susie. We are having a little bit of a festive edition with my Christmas hat on, but we're going to be working through some yoga to help us with maybe overeating at Christmas, or maybe you've been on a works party and you're feeling a little bit rough the next day. So we're going to do 5 minutes of simple yoga exercises to help combat those effects. So we'll start in a nice comfortable position. I'm starting in kneeling position, and we're literally going to breathe. Take a big inhale as you breathe in through your nose. Reach the arms up to the sky. Bring your hands to our Anajali Mudra, and hands come to heart center. And take a big inhale and breathe again. Release, feel that energy. And exhale the arms nice and slowly. We don't want to rush anything today. And we're focusing on our breathing as we inhale. Nice and slow, and exhale. And then we're going to inhale, reach the arms up again, but this time a really simple twist. Just bringing the hand to rest on the knee. And just softening the body without collapsing the hips. Inhale, reach up, and exhale. Again, nice simple twist. Twists are so good to help detox the body as well, because when we enter into a twist, it stimulates and sort of constricts the blood, and then when we release, the blood is allowed then to flow back with more vigour and nourish all our organs. Okay, so let's come up into standing now. We're going to stand at the top of the mat. Again, focusing on our breathing into Tadasana, feet hip width apart. Draw in that core, inhale, reach up, and exhale. We're going to come back into Warrior Two, so we're going to step back the left foot, square the hips, and coming into a nice easy Warrior Two. Gaze looks towards the hand. And then we're going to inhale, reach up, and we're going to come into a nice simple crescent lunge, a high crescent lunge here. You have your gaze looking forward, or you can reach up to the sky if you feel, but maybe today you're wanting just to look forward. Hands come to the hips, and we step to the top of the mat. And then we step back again, taking Warrior Two arms, and really opening out. Breathe. Inhale, reach the arms up, turn that right foot in into our high crescent lunge. And breathe, open the body, and release the hands, step to the top of the mat. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, float the arms back, behind the back. Take a little bit of a wider stance. Take a bend in the knee, and then just forward fold. And then inhale, reach up. We're not going to go too far down today. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, back behind. Interlacing into our Back Mudra. Step left leg back. And just come very gently forward. Not forcing the head too far. And then back up again. Step into the top of the mat. And then we step back again. Hands come behind the back. See if you can straighten that left leg. And then come down nice and slowly, not too far, just so you feel that nice stretch. And then release back. And we'll finish there today by reaching the arms up and just coming into a nice simple twist. Inhale and exhale. And then hands come to heart center. So I hope you have a fantastic Christmas. Enjoy, but always remember to see if you can fit a little bit of yoga in throughout the festive period. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the session today, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.